Then listen to me. This is very important.
Yes, Mother.
No matter where you are, no matter what you do, you must always make this noise.
But why, Mother?
Because if you don't, then...
No way. This is so scary.
If you don't want this to happen, then always make the noise.
Oh no, it's my crush.
Hey, Vava. Are you okay? I just wanted to see if you want to go cinema after school.
I would really love to.
So you want to make weird noises instead of spending time with me?
No, Sunny, I really want to.
Enough. I thought you were different, but you are silly like other boys. Where did he go?
He disappeared because he had to keep making the noise.
But why?
It's all because he is an irrelevant middle child. So as soon as he stops making a weird noise, he became irrelevant and invisible.
Like and sub, or I'll poo on your cat.